To record screen on Redmi A5, all you simply have to do is just simply scroll, like open up the quick settings menu, and right here you will be able to find the screen record button. Simply press this one, and from here you will have to select what you actually want to record. So if you want to record a single application, you will go for this, and you also can record the entire screen. And from here there are some couple of options, like you can toggle if you want to record any audio or you don't want, and you can also set up what audio you'd like to record. So you can record only the device audio, the microphone audio, or both of them. And right here also additionally there is this option to show touches on screen. And so if you're recording and you will touch, and right here it only works, these touches on screen only works while recording entire screen, because for the single application, as you can see, there's no such an option. And after you simply set up your settings for the recording, just press this start recording button, and from here there's this countdown right here, and now we are recording the screen. So this is basically how you can do this.